Hey guys, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I have a new Temu haul to share with you. It's quite a lot. So, without further ado, let me share with you what I got. I have my Drake here. Mom checking on mom again. Alright, the first item I have here is this strap for Galaxy Watch, just like this. I get another one that is longer for hubby. And this is $3.58 upon my purchase. Just like that. I get the black one. This is cool. And it's longer. So that's how it is. Next thing I have here. Next thing I have is this, 2 pieces of high lumen LED tactical flashlight, and it's rechargeable. And this cost $6.70 upon my purchase. This is cool. It's very light and it's nice. There's a USB port right here, so you can charge. And I don't know what is this for, but yeah, this is how it looks, and it comes in 2 pieces with the USB. Oh, two separate USB too. That's cool. Another one. Yay! That is nice. So hubby will take care of this, charging it. Alright, moving on. And here you go, guys. It's too bright. That's nice. As you can see. That's awesome. It's perfect for camping or at work if you need a flashlight to your job. And again, it's rechargeable. You don't have to use a lot of batteries again. So that is cool. I love that. Yeah, and yeah, hubby said there's 3 modes, light modes, right?
Yes.
High, low, and strobe. I don't know. Oh, there you go. There's the strobe. There's the high, low. Oh, that's high, low, strobe. Off. High, low, strobe, and off. Okay, next I have this cute cat keychain. And I paid $2.65 upon my purchase. And this comes in 3 or 4 carabiner. It's a cat carabiner with the, it's a cat keychain carabiner. It's like a carabiner that comes with another 4 carabiner. So cute. But I thought it's thick. Well, it's thick enough. But that's how it looks. I like that. So there you go. Next item is a cloth. Next item here is a PJ. It's a blue heart print loungewear set in sky blue. I believe I got this for like a lightning deal something, but on the site it says $11.61 upon my purchase, but I don't know. So it's a long short. I don't know what you call this, long short. That's it, and a shirt. Very nice. It will look It will look like this. So that. Okay. Next one is another cloth. It's a women's casual fashion solid color. Spring autumn whatever. Spring autumn cloth whatever. And it's $6.56. Oh, this is cheaper than the loungewear, the sleepwear. That is cool. There's a PJ. It's like a PJ and then a long sleeve. Yes, in a long sleeve. I don't know how to show it then. Just like that. And I like the material. It's like a cotton material. And it will look like, actually it's out of stock. I can show you something like this. It will look like this. In gray color. That's my color though. Alright, next bag. What I have here. Oh, it's a bag for my bike. A bag for my bicycle and some other things. Okay, first thing I have here is this beautiful gingerbread. It's a one piece of men's. It's a pair, a man and women gingerbread. What do you call it? What do you call this? Refrigerator handle gloves or door handle. What? It's super cute. Look at that. It's so cute. So it has a velcro at the back that you can put on the fridge handle. Opens like that, and then you will put the handle here. So that's how it looks. That's the men, and here's the women. Well, the man is what you call this, like a tan color, and the women is red. That's how they look. And I paid $5.09. It says here $5.97 upon my $5.34 upon my purchase. Okay, next I have this 10 pieces of Filipino team shoe charm. This is so cute. But I'm thinking of something else with this, not for the shoe. It says here, adobo, sisig, lumpia, sinigang. So the back is like that. This one is rice is life. Right there. Filipino loves rice though. This one is ketchup. It's banana ketchup. Yes, we have banana ketchup in the Philippines. Another one here is halo halo. Look at it. That is so cute. And then we have the stars, the sun and the stars. This one is like a sushi. This one is taho. Taho is soybean milk. It's a soybean milk. That's taho. And then we have lechon. It's a pork lechon. And then we have tabo. Tabo is the one we use to wash our butt. Or every time we take a shower, we use tabo. Tabo is, it's a plastic, like a cup that we use, but a bigger cup, huh?
It's like a little pitcher.
It's like a little pitcher. Yeah, that's what Harvey said. That we use to wash everything, food, and shower, take a shower, because we don't have a shower in the Philippines. We just use pail and a bucket and this tabo. And the last one is Chicken Joy. Chicken Joy is our favorite chicken from Jollibee. This is not a sponsored video, but that's Filipino favorite chicken. Yeah, fast food chicken though. Alright, moving on. This one here is a 20 pieces of ultra bright reflective safety stickers. It's fluorescent green for bicycle. There you go. Ooh, it reflects too much. Apologize for the brightness, but that is nice. I paid 79 cents for this one. Next thing I have here is this bike handlebar bag with touchscreen shade, adjustable strap, and phone holder for mountain bikes. So this is how it looks. So cute. How it opens. There. It opens like that. This is the side. Like that. Very nice. Nice quality. There's the phone holder right here. It's Velcro. It's the phone here. And it looks like that. That is nice. And then Velcro on the bottom. So basically it will look like this. There. Attached to the bike. There you go. And the phone. And accessories that need for the bike. There's the flashlight and some other things, the tools. And it's waterproof. Alright. And here how it is, how it looks. And I have the tools here. And I paid $6.03 for this one upon my purchase. And last item I have here is in this box. Let me open it. Dun-dun-dun. Guess what it is? It's a cat! That is so cute. It's a cat, like a cat 3D. It's a 3D printed cat shape. It's actually a planter. Vintage style lightweight plastic flower pot with unique irregular shape for succulents. But of course I'm not gonna use this for succulents. Oh, that is rough. But it's okay. It's a cat. It's like a tray. I can use this for catching my accessories thing. Super cute. I was about to pick the black one, but it's always black that I keep on picking. So I decided to get this color now. And that's all I have, guys. That is all my Temu haul for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope you like this cat. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe and click that bell button so you won't miss any of our video. And to my current subscriber, thank you for staying with me. Thank you for your love and support since day one, and thank you for everything. All right, that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and a good night. See you next time. God bless everyone.